Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Kif's Crypto. Now, today we're diving into something that's been a real game changer for traders out there. It seems at the moment everybody's looking for zero lag indicators. And so today we are looking at the zero lag trends signal multi-time frame by AlgoAlpha. This seems to be one of the most popular in use at the moment, and we're going to give it a boost by adding an AI element to it. We're going to turn it into a strategy. So here we are, guys. As you can see, we have our trading view open here, and I already have the indicator on, but I'm going to show you how to get it. It's super easy to get. You just go to indicators up here. You type in zero lag, and you're looking for this one, the zero lag trend signals multi-time frame by AlgoAlpha. Hit on that, and it brings up this. Now, before we get into it, I'm going to tell you exactly what this is. The zero lag trend signals indicator, in simple terms, is a multi-time frame trading indicator designed to give you accurate, lag-free trend signals. Now, unlike traditional moving averages or trend following tools, this indicator uses advanced algorithms to eliminate lag, ensuring you get real-time insights into market direction. Now, here's the best part. It works across multiple time frames, meaning if you're a scalper, a day trader, or a swing trader, this tool adapts to your strategy. And as an added bonus, it is completely free. Now, there are several ways to utilize this indicator. Primarily, you're looking at reversals, which is the first one we're going to go through, and the second one is pullbacks. As you can see, you got your green ribbons here and your red ribbons. And they signal the direction of the momentum of the trend of the move. So obviously green, we're going in an upward trajectory, and red, we're on the way down, representing bearish. You'll also see these arrows. First off, we got these small little arrows, and I'm going to go through those in a second. Second, we have these ones. These are the white arrows surrounded by either a red box or a green box. And you've probably already guessed this. The red ones signal a reversal and a downward move. You also see something up here called your time frames. You got your 5s, the 15s, the 60, your 240, and your daily. And the signals on them also change from bearish to bullish. So you need a couple of things to line up before you can actually go and take a trade. Now, there is also a third way to utilize this indicator, probably the most important way actually, and that is by utilizing other indicators to confirm your position and your trade. But for the moment, we're just going to look at the singular entry and exits. So here's an example here. As you can see, we are coming down in a bearish movement. This is the trend here. And we got our little green box here flashing up to tell us that the trend direction is going to change. So let me show you how a long position that would have worked. We would have got in here. We just set our stop loss there. And we're looking for a 2-to-1 ratio, which is about there. And as you can see, it never really went near our stop loss. It played out and it broke out here several hours later. This is the hourly again, of course. Now, the opposite is true for shorts. As you can see here, we're on a bullish trend. Price action is going up, but we got a signal here to say there could be a change in that. And look what happens. It plays out absolutely beautifully. So if we've got our trade on here and we got the signal, which we did, we just put that over here. This is an entry point here. We want to put our stop loss around here. And we want to take a 2-to-1 ratio. Now, as you can see, this would have taken a while to play out. We were never in any danger of hitting our stop loss. And as obviously, patience is the name of the game here. But it did play out and we would have got paid off here. Now, we'll show you later how you can take advantage of this move also to lock in even more gains. Remember, for this kind of a move, all your time frames here need to be bearish. If any of these are bullish, do not take this trade. So that's trading using this indicator based on trend reversals. So let's have a look now at what these green and red arrows mean. These are only to be utilized for pullbacks. So as you can see here, your ribbon is green. The trend is bullish. We've had several pullbacks into the green ribbon and out again. And these are telling you that the pullback is weak and we're likely going to continue our bullish trend upwards. So as you can see here, the price has come back in, it's come down, it's pulled back down to this level. But then we have a green candle which closes above the ribbon. It's critical that you do not take the trade unless this green candle closes above the ribbon. The green candle closed, we would have got our trade in here. I'll just show you how that would have played out. We'll take our long position. Trade would have gone in around there. A 2-to-1 ratio. So I would have been comfortable probably putting the stop loss there. And this was a very easy trade and it played out very quickly. Just as you can see, no problem at all. It played out. And you could have taken this trade here also. As you can see, the exact same thing happened. We had a pullback into the ribbon. Our next green candle closed above the ribbon, which is absolutely critical, and off to the races again. Now, for this strategy, I wouldn't worry about the 5-minute time frame being bearish. It is going to be bearish because of moves like this. But the 15, the 60, the 4-hour, and the daily do need to be bullish if you're taking this trade. And for shorts, it's the same, just everything is reversed. So there's two of the ways you can utilize this indicator to get your trades on. You got the trend reversals, so that's when the color of the ribbons change and you get that signal. Make sure the time frames all match up also, depending on which way the direction is changing to. And you got your pullbacks, and they're the small green and red arrows, which pulls back into the ribbon but bounces upwards. And remember, you cannot take that trade until that candle closes above the ribbon. Also, don't forget your time frames, critically important there. Not so much the 5-minute, but all the other. So this video is primarily about how we're going to utilize AI. So let's go back to the charts and have a look at that. Now, everybody wants their indicators to show up as strategies. And by using AI, we've managed to do that. And here it is, guys. This is the AlgoAlpha zero lag signals turned into a strategy. And as you can see, our profit's 352%, total trades 190. Profit factor is 1.20. This is a work in progress because this is only longs so far. And you can see these are all longs flying in here. We do have work to do on it, but it is getting very, very close. And if you want the code, it is available in our Discord. The link to our Discord is in the description. I can't put the code anywhere else, but it's absolutely free to anybody that wants to utilize it. The key is the information you put into ChatGPT and how you ask for this to be translated into a strategy. It took us several weeks to get it right. We had a lot of failures. But when we realized how we needed to ask and what we needed to ask for, we've had no problem. So the next part of this, we're going to be putting the short element into it. So we're going to be highlighting when it should be taking shorts. But so far we have implemented our initial capital, our commission rates, the margin for long and short position. Shorts, as I said, isn't working yet. Our inputs over here, our initial capital, our length band multiplier can be changed. Our take profits at 3%. And our stop loss at 1%, 1.5%. So all this can be changed. And this, if you're wondering how long the time frame is, this goes back to the 1st of January of 2023. Now, so far we've found that this works best on the 1 hourly. If you go to 15 minutes, you can see it's still pretty good. It's 154%. And obviously we're going to try to improve that when we implement shorts into this. Now, the third part of this trading strategy, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, is to implement more indicators. We really want to make sure that we have as much confirmation as possible when we're entering our trades. And so in the next video, I will show you what other indicators we've implemented into this strategy. It'll just be a matter of putting the strategy up onto your trading view chart, and then up to how you edit the included indicators that are built into it. I'll show you that in the next video, and I'll also show you in the next video how to actually start taking trades utilizing this. We will be using our favorite exchange, which is BYDeFi. I'll show you how to get the trades on. We will be using the demo account because we're testing here. We're at the testing phase. We want to get this as accurate as possible. So if you're interested in looking at AI and looking at how we can implement it into indicators to create different strategies, head over to our Discord. We're building a community there of like-minded people. But as you can see, so far, this works pretty well. 352% is nothing to be laughed at. But yeah, that's TradingView, zero lag indicators, and AI. And we're going to be creating lots of these over the coming weeks and months. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button. If you didn't, fuck it, go ahead and hit the dislike button. Don't forget to let me know in the comments box below what you think of this video and whether you have tried something similar. But that about does it for today's video. As you leave the building, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.